Hi guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how do you delete your Facebook page permanently. So go to your Facebook app and then just click on the menu option and go for the pages and then look for the page that you want to delete, so the pages that you manage. So click on it. Alright, so here what you have to do, you have to switch the because you have to be the admin as the page admin. So click on switch so that you'll be able to delete the pages as the admin. So once you have done with that, and then what you have to do, then click on the menu option here and then click on settings and privacy and then click on settings again. So when you get to settings, so here tap on the page settings. So when you tap on the page settings here and then search for delete on the search bar, so if you then choose this first result here and then here, so you have the option to either deactivate the page or delete it permanently. So what we want to do is delete it permanently, so choose the second option and click on continue. All right, and then you just have to choose a reason for you to any reason for you to close this, delete this page. All right, and then select that and then click on continue. All right, so next, once you're done with that, and then just click on continue, scroll down, click on continue. So here what you have to do, the last step, you just have to enter your Facebook password, and then once you have entered it, just click on continue, and then that's it, your page will be deleted. So that's what pretty much how it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.